Welcome to Alicia's life journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Doing a makeup tutorial. And again, this is Alicia's life journey. I asked a fellow YouTuber, so I'm partnering with the YouTuber, to do my voiceover for a makeup video. This guy is very hilarious. He doesn't sound like this, but I told him to make it sound funny, so he's going to be really funny, trying to sound like me. And don't forget to like and subscribe to his podcast, the Revelation Podcast. Click his link below. So yeah, you guys, let's get into it.
Welcome to Alicia's life journey today, everyone. How are y'all doing? Today, we're going to put makeup on my face. It's time to look and get fabulous with Alicia A. We have Smurf cream. Yes, I'm going to pour it on me, but I'm not going to be blue. Next, we're going to take this magical brown powder and pour it on my face today. Yes. You see? A little dab here, a little drop here. No, I won't sip it. I'm only going to put some on. Now I'm going to wipe my face, touch it a little bit, get my face so smooth. Yes, moving my hands so fast. I'm going to look up at the ceiling for a minute, make sure I didn't miss nothing. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who looks beautiful? You do, Alicia. Put this pen on your face and finish up. Look at me. My eyebrows. Now I'm going to apply some ointment to my face. I could be any color I want. Any color except orange. No, Donnie, you can't get as good as me. I'm not here to look like an orange peel. I'm here to look like a beautiful African queen. Yay. Look at my face change color. My skin isn't peeling off like an orange. It's transforming into a beautiful African queen, y'all. Look at my glow up today. I just feel so happy. Glow up time with Alicia. Now my eyebrows. I can draw those on too. My lips, I have such kissable lips. If you guys like and subscribe, maybe one day on this life's journey, you can kiss these lips. For every new subscriber, you get a kiss. A kiss for you. Kiss for you. Back to my eyes again. I had to go back. Yes. Focus. Focus, Alicia. You have to look good. I'm drawing on this now. Look at me, y'all. I'm playing a game. Now I'm about to do makeup again now that I finished my game. Yes. I'm painting my eye, y'all. Y'all should try it. It's face paint. Wait, no, I mean makeup. My bad. Yeah, a makeup tutorial. What color is that, y'all? It's not orange. It's a shade of brown. My eyes. I'm blending in, changing. Getting underneath my eyebrow. Yes. Back to erase. No. Okay, I'm good. I'm still good. I didn't mess up the eyebrow. I had to draw that perfect arch. Ugh. Y'all, this is a lot of work. I literally spent like 40 hours in the makeup studio today trying to get this done. Now a little powder, some more powder, and more white. Now we're going to add something else. Come on. Yes. Okay. My glow up is...
I like gifts, especially gifts from Amazon. And if you want to get a gift from Amazon, you can have a chance to win this $25 Amazon gift card. All you have to do is like and subscribe to Alicia's Life Journey. Click the link below. Comment on the violin cover video of Wind Beneath My Wings. And spread the word and help me get to 280 subscribers. That's all. That's all you have to do. And you have your chance to win the $25 Amazon gift card.